And then hunters, if you have a situation where you have good hunting land and
I've got a hunting story, by the way.
Okay, what's your it's hunting story time. Okay.
So back home where I'm from, there is a very established hunting club about 5 miles down the road from where we're at. So, and these are people that when you see, and this was back in the late 90s, early 2000s, when you saw it on the Outdoor Channel or that's where these people were going to hunt. They would have escorted to the deer stand. They would know the certain deers would be in the area, and they would put them on camera and kill them, and then they would be butchered out. And by the time they roll out of the hunting club, it's all butchered up and wrapped up. So Dad's cousin is working a field, and this is during deer season, and these two people roll up and go, "Hey, sir, where is this hunting club at?" And he said, "Well, it's down the road about 6 miles." "Okay, thank you." And he said, "Mind if I ask you a question?" And these hunters said, "Yeah, sure. How much are you paying to hunt down there?" And they said $2,000 a piece, I think it was for the weekend. And he said, "You see those two guys over across the field with the blaze orange in the woods? Yeah, they're hunting for free." And they got in their truck and went on down to the hunting club, and that was the end of it.
Well, that's how it goes.
Yeah. So Be reasonable if you charge people to hunt on your ground.
No kidding. Especially when their season is not very long.
Right.